Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Why strength is very less, guys? Sunday effect, huh? Oh, okay. Fine. We'll complete factory pattern and fresh pattern I'll start tomorrow, guys. Okay. Are you understanding? Are you there, guys? Are you with me? NTDP 614. Yeah, yesterday I was talking about what, guys? Everyone, please respond. The problem related to factory pattern. I hope everyone remembered that. Problem related to factory pattern, right, boss? The problem related to factory pattern, guys. That is what we discussed, right? E drive here. Design patterns 614. This is the document of yesterday, right, boss? Yeah, we discussed about the problem. Yeah, what is the problem, guys? Different objects for different classes will be done in using different techniques. Some objects using constructor zero param, some objects using multi-param constructors, some objects through factory method, some objects through reflection API. Okay, instead of me putting that entire button in the brain, if I ask someone, right, guys, if I ask someone to take care of that, and if someone is taking care of that responsibility, I would be more happy or not. And that someone is nothing but factory, guys. That someone is nothing but factory. Are you with me, boss? That someone is nothing but factory boss. Yeah, moreover, I have several related classes, all classes implementing either common interface or extending from common superclass. Are you with me, guys? Common interface are implementing common. But based on the data I supply, it has to return one of the several related class objects. Which class we don't know until runtime. Instead of creating objects for all the classes and using one object out of them. Okay. If someone is there who dynamically decides object has to be created which class and returns that object for me, I will be more happy or not. Okay. So example, car factory. You go to car factory, ask for car, they deliver the car. But when they deliver car, we are bothered about receiving the car, using car. We are least bothered about how that car is being manufactured, right, boss? Understanding my statement? Okay. Driver manager dot get connection. Based on the URL, username, password we pass, it internally creates connection object. In that process, it creates a lot of other objects. Those objects will be used in the construction of connection object and returns connection object. Okay, this is also factory pattern. We are asking for connection, it is delivering connection. Are we really bothered how that connection object is being created, guys? Are we really bothered how that connection object is being created? Certainly not. Certainly not. Look at the problem code, guys. I have multiple classes extending from car class. What are those? Sports car, luxury car, budget car. So we have three different clients. Client 1, client 2, client 3. So every client should know how to create a car object of his choice. Yes or no? Instead of suffering multiple clients, okay, making them to know how to create a car object, making them to know how to create a car object, it's always better. Come on. It's always better. It's always better providing one factory them. They approach factory from there, they get the object, they will utilize the object. Understanding? Instead of making every Indian, okay, getting the knowledge of car manufacturing. Okay, if there are car manufacturing companies like car Maruti Suzuki, so what happened? Whenever Indian wants to have a car, he approached Maruti Suzuki kind of car manufacturing company, nothing but car factory. So they will return the car. that car factory will return the car. What do you say, guys? So yesterday I have given problem code, guys. So shall I go for the solution code? Solution. Solution, guys. File, save as January 9th, 2022. January 9th, 2022. I'll answer these questions later, guys. Okay. So first of all, solution. Solution using factory pattern. Okay. Solution using factory pattern. Okay. Provide one factory class. Provide one factory class. Provide one factory class. Provide one factory class for all the clients, guys. Provide one factory class, all the clients. Okay. All the clients having static factory method. Static factory method for all the clients. To create and return car class object based on the car type that is passed, guys. Based on the car type that is passed. Car type that is passed. Okay, guys. Yes. Here, factory is providing abstraction on creating one of the several related car classes object. One of the several related car classes object based on the car type that is passed. Based on the car type that is being passed, guys. Based on the car type that is passed. That means that is being passed. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Okay, guys. Done. Okay, solution using factory, boss. Yes. Shall we get into this kind of discussions, guys? Yeah, solution, boss. Let's go for, I'm taking a factory here. Okay, package is what? com.nt.factory. com.nt.factory. Here is my class, guys. Car factory. Here is my what? Car factory, guys. After that, what next? Public. car is equal to null. Reference variable I have taken null, guys. Control plus this one. Public static. Sir, why should I take this one as a static factory method? Static factory method. Okay, first let me take the return type. Tell me. What should be the return type? If I pass luxury car object, budget car object. But one method can have one return type or lots of return types. One method can have one type of return type or different types of return types. Only one. But this method is going to return one of the three class objects. Either luxury car or budget car or sports car. But can I take three classes as return type at a time? Can I take three classes as return type at a time? No. In that situation, what should I do, guys? In that situation, what should I do? We can, wild card. In that situation, we can think about taking its a super type. In that situation, we can think about taking its a super type. Come on. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Common type, super type. Come on. What is the common type for all three classes? Car. So we can take car or not. Sir, someone saying that I will take object. Object means it can return any class object, but this factory is returning, going to return any class object or one of the several related class object. Related class object. How they are related? Because of car. So better to take car as a return type or not? Better to take car as the return type or not? I want reply, boss. Okay. Better to take car as a return type or not? I want reply, guys. Yeah. Public static car, guys. Okay. Get car or create car, whatever it is. String type, guys. What is that? String type. Now tell me. If type equals ignore case. What is that, guys? Type equals ignore case. If type equals ignore case, understanding my statement, boss? Type equals ignore case. Tell me what is the line I should write there? What is the line I should write there? Come on. Type equals ignore case. Type equals ignore case. What is this? Budget. Maybe uppercase, maybe lower case. Type equals ignore case, budget. Tell me. Return new. Return new budget car off. No, I don't take like this. Car is equal to new budget car off. Else if type equals ignore case, luxury. Car is equal to new luxury car off. Oh, I think I have to take here, guys. This one is here. Luxury car off. Else if type equals ignore case. Type equals ignore case. Tell me, guys, what is the story? Sports. Car is equal to new sports car off. Car is equal to new sports car off. Else throw new illegal argument exception. Okay. Illegal argument exception. Tell me, guys, invalid car type. Invalid car type. Okay. Now return car. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Now listen. Why should I take this method as static method? Array, the client who is going to call this method, interested in car factory object or car factory return car object? Interested in car factory object or car factory return car object? Speak out. Okay. So if I give create car as a non-static method, If I give create car as the non-static method, are you listening? In order to call create car method, they need to create object of car factory. Tell me why client should waste his energy and time towards creating car factory object. You are approaching Maruti Suzuki for car, guys. Tell me, are you interested in Maruti Suzuki object or Maruti Suzuki supplied car object? Yes or no? So whatever communication we do with Maruti Suzuki, our target is getting car object from Maruti Suzuki or getting Maruti Suzuki object itself. So though we communicate with the car factory, we are not interested in car factory object. We are interested in what? Car factory supplied car object. So that means we want to use the services of car factory without creating object of car factory. How to use services of any class without creating object for it? Factory methods. I mean to say static methods. So that's the reason I have taken this one as a static method. Convinced boss. Array, in the singleton also we have taken static matter. Static factory method only we have taken. Taken or not taken? Okay, I hope you convinced guys. Sir, why return type is car? Array, based on the type I pass, it is going to return one of the several related class object. Okay, if I take one related class as the return type, what about other two classes? Okay, that's what is the common type for all these car classes? That is car. So that's why we have to take car as the return type. We need to take car as the return type. Everyone getting my point, guys? Yeah, this is a factory pattern. This entire class represents factory pattern, guys. Super, boss. Now look at the clients. Car customer 1 is looking for budget car. Now, if needed, listen guys, if needed, we got a car object now, boss. Before returning car object, on car object we call assemble. On car object we call what? Road test. On factory only we'll do that. We'll make the customer to drive. Come here happily. It gets the car object. Otherwise, car factory will do these two things, guys. Okay, car factory only will do these two things. Here, what this fellow is doing, guys? Car factory dot factory dot create car budget. Create car budget. Once you got the car, guys, what you will do? B car dot drive. You will happily drive the car. End of the story. Nice, guys. Car customer 2. Okay. Car customer 2. Yes, guys. What is this? This time this fellow is looking for luxury car. L car. Here is luxury. L car dot drive. Nice, boss. Copy this. Car customer 3. Car customer 3. Come on. Next, tell me what is this? Sports, guys. Okay, yes car. Here is also yes car dot drive. Yes car dot drive, boss. Are you comfortable, my dears? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Car customer 1, car customer 2, car customer 3. Now let's run one thing, guys. Right click, run on Java application. Right click, run on Java application. Right click, run on Java application. See, guys, everything is happening or not? But to tell me, is there any burden on the clients, guys? Is there any burden on the clients? Is the client bothered about the car manufacturing? They're approaching the factory. Factory is giving the object. I hope you enjoyed this. The way I presented factory pattern, guys. Everyone got the clarity. Okay. Solution code using car factory. Solution code using car factory. What is the solution code, guys? Yeah, this is my car factory, my dear. Car factory.java was. Car factory.java. Yeah, as usually, car customer one, guys. Client one. Client one. Yes, boss. Client two. Client three. Right, guys. You can go for const. I'll give you some more improvisation on this. Yes, guys. Here, clients are clients are clients are clients are knowing free from knowing knowing how to create different car class objects because they are approaching car factory for the same and getting the car object based on the car type they passed. Everyone getting my point, guys? Based on the car type they passed. Okay, guys. Generally, factory contains what, guys? Generally, factory contain static method. What method, guys? Okay. Generally, factory contains what? Static factory method having logic to create one of the several related classes object. Okay, because clients are not interested in factory class object. Clients are actually interested in tell me, the factory supplied what, guys? The factory supplied one of the several related class objects. Several related classes object. Okay. Okay. So to make clients using the services of factory class without creating object for the factory class, we need to place static factory method in it. Static factory method in it. I hope you understood my statement, guys. Okay. I'll give one real life touch why return type is car, guys. Okay. I'll ask one simple question, very standard example I take in all batches. I have one invitation card. Okay. I want to invite all the 6 brothers of the family. What name I should write on the invitation card? First brother name, second brother name, third brother name, fourth brother name, or fifth brother name, or sixth brother name. What name I should write on the invitation card? The common father name. Right now, boss? If you write the common father name, what do you say, my dears? If you write the common father name, tell me, guys. Yeah, then similarly, one method, it has to return 3 related class object. Should I write first class related class name, or second related class name, or third related class name? No, you should write common super class name. Are you understanding my statement? You must write common super class name. Then what happens? So for everyone, he is the common fellow, right, guys? If Java method return type is common super class name or abstract class name, method can return one of its subclasses object or not. One of its several subclasses objects are not. You don't know which one it is going to return, but it is going to return one of the several related class object. Then better to take the common interface name or common superclass name as the return type of the method or not. And we did exactly that. Come on. Are you with me, guys? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Super, boss. Okay. Guys, some more improvisations are there in factory pattern. I will come and do those improvisation. Can you give me 5 minutes time? I'm getting one urgent call. Just give me 5 to 6 minutes time. Come back. Everyone, please come back, guys. Now listen, my dears. My dears. Okay, hard coding constants like this, I don't recommend. Why? Because these are English words. You may do typing mistakes, right? And if you do typing mistake, no one is going to correct you. See, guys, factory will be developed by one person, client will be another person. Think like this. Driver manager dot get connection is given by whom? Some driver people, some Sun Microsystem people who will be using it. Developers are using it. Factory dot get bin method is given by whom? Spring people who will be using. Developers will be using. Okay, car factory is given by whom? Maruti Suzuki people who will be using. Owners. Car owners are car customers, right? Do you really think factory and client will be developed by same developer? Certainly not. Always keep in mind, factory will be given by one person. Okay, clients will be developed by another person. Understanding my statement? Okay, right now we are everything. That's why we are developing both, guys. In real practices, the Factory will be developed by one developer and the client applications will be developed by another developer. The client applications will be developed by another developer. Okay. Then only clients can enjoy the abstraction of object creation. Tell me the abstraction of object creation. The abstraction of objects creation. Super, guys. The abstraction of object creation, guys. Okay, boss. Shall we get into the next level discussion, my dears? Car customer 1, customer 2, car customer 3. Total, how many car customers are there? 3 are there. Okay, but right now our discussion is what? Hard coding constants is not a good thought, guys. Okay, better to provide some constants. Interfaces can have a lot of constants now. So better to take the constant support, guys. So solution only, but I will be improvising the solution. Solution improved. Factory pattern solution improved. Yes, boss. Solution improved, guys. Come here. I will be taking what? Factory here. I will be taking one interface, boss. Interface car type. Interface car type. There. By default, variables in the interface are constants. Variables in the interface are constants, guys. Variables in the interface are constants, guys. Okay. Variables in the interface are constants. Okay, that means public static final by default. So I need not to separately declare them public static final. By default, they are this one. Tell me. Car type. Yeah. No. Enums are different. Enum is different. This is different. Enum means objects will be there. Constants are objects. No, this is different. Please, you have to take interface type enums constants only. Enum constants are objects for enum, boss. In singleton we discussed enum constants are not simple values. Enum constants are object type constants, right? Come on, what happened? Okay, tell me, guys. Model underscore. What is this? String model underscore budget. In the here we will write budget only. Here we write budget only, my dears. Okay. Model underscore luxury. Here is my luxury. Model underscore budget luxury. Next one. Model underscore sports. Here is my sports, guys. File close all, guys. File close all. Go to car factory, my dear. In this car factory, don't hard code this, Ra Babu. Go for car type dot. What type, guys? Car type dot budget. Now here, car type dot light what? Luxury. Next, car type dot come on, sports. Car type dot sports, guys. Nice, boss. Now go to clients, guys. Now go to clients. Clients, their choice, guys. Clients wants to pass budget directly or yeah. What is listen? Why? What is need of this, guys? What is need of this? What is need of this kind of thing? So, is there any chance of writing wrong spells, guys? And customers also, is there any chance for customers to write wrong spells? Especially the people who belongs to different regions, their spells are different. If you provide constants for them, so everyone will use same constants or not? Budget. Both clients and factory uses same constant. We can avoid spell mistakes or not, guys? We can definitely avoid spell mistakes. Okay, car type dot. What is this? L car, luxury car, guys. Car type dot. Okay, what car, guys? Sports car. Sports car. Car type dot sports car. Solution code using car factory, boss. Guys, can I conduct the session tomorrow? Can I continue this tomorrow? I got some issue here. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow.